Hey guys, today we're making gyudon. It's a classic Japanese dish, almost like fast food, very easy to make. It's basically thinly sliced beef that's deliciously marinated with soy sauce and mirin and some other things, and it's simmering away with onions and any other vegetables you might want to add. I added daikon to make it a little healthier. Pretty easy to make and very quick, so let's just get started.
We're going to start by slicing one whole onion into fairly thin slices. Same for the beef, very thin. Doesn't have to be an expensive cut of meat, just one that has a good amount of fat around the edges. And now we're marinating it for at least 10 minutes, the longer the better, in a mixture of soy sauce, mirin, garlic, and ginger. While that's marinating, we're going to soften up these onions a bit in the pan. And now we're adding all that marinated meat. I was trying to brown it just a little bit first at the bottom of the pan. And now the daikon goes in fairly thin slices or smaller cubes because it does take a little bit of time to get soft. So this is the simmering liquid. If you have time to make dashi as well, I would recommend that, but I use just soy sauce and more mirin and covered it up with water or stock and let it simmer away for 15 minutes. The beef will come out really soft and we are all done. I forgot to mention that gyudon is a type of donburi, so it is a rice bowl, always over rice. I used brown rice for this one. And put it together with some fresh scallions and fresh ginger and a little bit of Japanese rice seasoning. And it looks really pretty. So that was it. It was really easy. Quick lunch. Let me know if you guys make this.